In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new user to your QuickBooks Online account. Let's start from the very beginning. Go ahead and sign in to your QuickBooks Online account using your usual login. Once you're on your main dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the small gear icon, often called the settings icon. This is where QuickBooks keeps most of the tools that control how your account is set up. Click on that gear icon and a menu will drop down. From this menu, find and select the option labeled Manage Users. This is the section where you control who has access to your QuickBooks company file and what they're allowed to see and do. Inside the Manage Users page, you'll see a list of people who already have access to your account. To add someone new, look for the Add User button, or in some versions, you might see a plus icon. Click that to start creating a new user. Next, QuickBooks will ask you to choose the type of user you want to add. Here you'll see options like Standard User, Company Admin, Reports Only, or Time Tracking. A company admin has full access and can manage everything, so reserve that for someone who really needs complete control. Standard users can work with most day-to-day tasks, while Reports Only is ideal for someone who just needs to view financial information without making changes. Time tracking is perfect for team members who only need to track their hours. After you pick the user type, you'll be prompted to enter the new user's basic details, usually their name and email address. Make sure the email is correct, because this is where QuickBooks will send their invitation. Now it's time to fine-tune what they can do. You'll see a roles drop-down where you can choose a predefined role that matches their responsibilities. After selecting a role, take a moment to review the description that explains what that role can access, such as sales, expenses, or payroll. If you're using a more advanced version of QuickBooks Online, you can go even deeper by customizing permissions, checking or unchecking specific tasks to allow or restrict certain actions. When everything looks good and you're comfortable with the level of access you've given, click Send Invitation. QuickBooks will email the new user a link to accept the invite, create their login if needed, and join your QuickBooks Online account. Once they accept, they'll appear in your Manage Users list, and you can always come back here later to edit or remove their access if your needs change.